today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Library Figma tutorial. By the end, you'll know how to find a free design in the Figma community, bring it into your workspace, customize it to match your style, and publish it as a reusable library. First, open Figma and head to the community section inside the app. This is where designers share templates, UI kits, icon sets, and full component systems. In the search bar at the top, type the word free. That quick search narrows the results to no-cost resources, so you can explore without worrying about paywalls. Take a minute to scroll, preview a few options, and read the short descriptions. The thumbnail images and overviews give you a clear sense of what's included and help you decide whether a file fits your project. When something catches your eye, click into it to open the detail page. Here you can flip through screenshots, check notes from the creator, and confirm exactly what the file contains. Once you're confident it's the right pick, click Open in Figma. Figma adds a copy directly to your workspace, which means you can edit freely without touching the original community file. With the file open, start customizing it for your brand or project. Update colors, typography, and spacing so they align with your design language. If the file includes components and styles, edit those directly. Because components and styles are referenced across the file, your changes will cascade automatically, keeping everything consistent. As you go, keep layer, frame, and component names clear and organized. A tidy structure makes the library easier to understand later, especially if teammates will rely on it. When your updates are ready, look to the left side of the interface and open the Libraries area. Choose Libraries and select Publish this file. Publishing turns your current file into a library that can be enabled in other Figma files, so you can reuse components, styles, and assets instead of duplicating work. Add a brief description of what changed. Release notes help future you and your collaborators know what's new. If you make improvements later, just update your components and publish again to push a new version. And that's it. You searched the community for free resources, opened a design in Figma, customized it, and published it as a reusable library. Save your file, share it with collaborators if needed, and enjoy a smoother, more consistent workflow across your projects.